So here is my new toy. It's a 1971 Ford Grand Torino. I've always wanted to get into restoration, and this is my first project car. It is going to be a challenge because I have never done this before. I want to give you guys a walk around of what this thing looks like, front and back, inside and out. So, as stated, lots of work, but for 1971, it's not too bad. Here's the inside. This is going to be the bigger challenge of a job because that floorboard's missing. And I've never done welding, so now I'm going to learn about welding. I'm going to learn about how to get rid of rust. I'm going to learn pretty much how to do a lot of things. So, as I said, I wanted to show you guys. Here you can see the rear of the car. Bumper is beat up. But overall, you know, you got all the detailing, the trim, in pretty decent condition. Here, you can see the trims there. It's actually not too bad. Get a bit of rust, as I said. You're gonna have to do a bunch of welding, but it's all good. We'll go back around the front. Now let me show you what's under the hood. So here we are underneath the hood. Radiator doesn't look too bad. You got a lot of rust here and here. We're gonna clean that up. But it's in big need of work. But this is a 351 Cleveland. You can see I got more welding work to do there. But overall, honestly, really not too bad for a 50-year-old car. I'm not gonna complain. Hopefully this will be the first of many videos in which you guys will see the whole process of me restoring this thing. I plan on keeping it up to date. Don't know how often I'll record, but just follow the channel, have fun. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.